To make a letter in Google Docs. It's very easy. You know how to make a letter in Google Docs. Everything is easy these days anyway. You can use the template gallery. There's also this letter template on the home screen, but you can expand it all and visit the letter templates here, informal letter or business. Do whatever you want. I'm going to use this one for an example, and then all you need to do is just to replace all of these infos with your infos, and also the content of the letter itself. You can replace them all with whatever you want, or you can also open ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write your letter. For example, write me a resigning letter. Here you can also use this template provided by ChatGPT to make a resigning letter or whatever letter do you want. You can easily copy this and Control A and replace them all. Just like that, you're able to make a letter on Google Docs without having to go so much struggle by, for example, searching on how to make a letter and having to copy them all. So you don't need to do that. You can just do what I just did. And that is how you're able to make a letter on Google Docs easily.